Their face. Hi. Look at how handsome you are. You just want snuggles. I don't want you to go home. This is the last day that I get to spend with you. At least until next time. You too, but you're not as nice as your boy here. I mean, you're as nice. You just don't want the snuggles as much. And that's okay. I fully understand that. What, you want to come on this shoulder? There's room. Come on. Oh, you don't want her to share in the loves? Huh? Yeah. She likes lovin's too. Yes, she does. Sweet babies, huh? I know. All right, let me put my phone down so I can use my hands. Okay.